6, 7. There we go. Now I just need a pair of pants. Oh, it's just rotational. There we go. Ta-da! Two in, 3 in, hinge. There we go. We got a bench. Oh my. I need a bigger screw. No! Oh no! No, no, no! No! Oh no! No! Oh! Oh no! Well, that was unfortunate. But thankfully, hey, look at that. It's actually, that's really, really close. Let's give this a try. Ah, fart. It's off by that much. Oh, that's close. Almost. Oh, so close. Just a hair more right there. Hey, hey, hey! I'm Fat Albert. We got ourselves a hinge. Now for the next part, it's a little too tall. And it's smaller than the old one, so I'll have to work with this a bit. Slide in. Slide and push, push, push. Ooh. Hot snot. Oh. I found the hole. It is time to cheat. Ta-da! So there you have it. The bench is basically done. It's about where I'm going to leave it for right now. Now I still need to put on a leg vise here. I'm going to be doing that soon. I'm just waiting for that chop to fully dry out. I'm also going to do a little bit of carving on some of the legs, and then I need to actually finish it. But I want to wait on actually putting the finish on this until it's had more time to set. Now, yes, I did let this air dry outside for 2.5 years. And then I had it in a kiln for 4 months, and it's been down in my basement for almost a year now. And it's still nowhere near dry. It's going to need a lot more time. As a matter of fact, since I actually flattened this out at the end of last year, it's got a little bit of a cup in the top. It's about a 32nd of an inch from side to side in the middle. And I'm going to be keeping an eye on that, but I don't want to actually finish it and do all the last little things until it fully dries out and settles out. I did know going into this that, yes, if I'm going to make this out of a single piece of wood, it is going to have extra movement in it. It's one of these things where that's one of the downsides to having a large single slab of wood is it's going to have some movement, some change over time. And I'm not going to be able to get a perfectly, amazingly flat slab all the time. But because I live in an air-conditioned basement, it's going to be relatively good once it finally stabilizes. But that's probably going to take another year or two. So all that being said, yes, I'm glad to finally have this up and going. I'm glad to finally have that vise working, which I might have a video coming out on that here soon. And I'm looking forward to all the things we're going to build on this in the future. So if you want to see more on this, stay tuned. Videos are coming. And if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, snide remarks, throw those down in the comments down below. Thank you. It helps us out. I know I say that every week, but honestly it does. Anytime you like, comment, share, subscribe, you know all that. But particularly I want to say thank you to all of those people over there. Those names scrolling are famous, wonderful, benevolent, gorgeous people on Patreon. And between patrons and members here on this channel, people who click that thank you button down there, thank you. You guys make this channel happen. Without you, we wouldn't be here. So if you like that, would like to help out more, think about becoming a patron. We do have a bunch of special perks and giveaways and things like that we do on Patreon, and it's a really cool group. And it's a really cool group. So thank you for that. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. It doesn't do it very quickly, but because this is a single slab, if you watch it, the bench will move.